again, you sort of don't know what's real anymore. I received an email posted on the Patriot, looks like Crier, and the title is "Breaking: Obama Bans Bullets of America's Top-Selling Rifle via Illegal Executive Action." And this is dated February the 7th on Liberal Elder. And again, I have no idea if this is real or not. But what the article says is that through executive action, Obama has banned ammo for the top-selling AR-15 style semi-automatic, labeling them cop killers. And the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives will put the ban on 5.56 millimeter ammo on a fast track, which already is driving up prices and demand. Gun stores are reporting an increase in price of 30% and an increase in demand of 1,000%. Now, when I first got this, I went ahead and I did a little bit of Googling. And I found an article that was written back in March of last year where it said that Obama had planned to do that. And he wanted to do that, but it failed. So it is possible that this, in fact, took place. Again, I have no idea. I'm just reporting the facts as I know them. Quote, Wednesday night, Representative Bob Goodlate, the Republican chairman for the House Judiciary Committee, stepped in with a critical letter to the Bureau demanding it explain a surprise and abrupt bullet ban. The letter is shown below. The National Rifle Association, which is working with Goodell to gather co-signers, told Secrets that 30 House members have already co-signed the letter, and Goodell and the NRA are hoping to get a total of 100 fast. Again, I have no idea if this is real or if it's not real. I'll attach both links. You take a look at it and you decide. Thanks for listening.